Good morning, class. Happy Thursday. Today is May 7. Learning target for today is for you to be able to connect Enlightenment ideas, specifically the ideas of the social contract and natural rights, to what happened in the American Revolution. So the plan for today is first I'll give you a couple vocab words, and then there is a crash course history video clip that I'd like you to watch. Please watch it carefully because it will help you do the quick write, which is your assignment for today, due at 3 p.m. So watching that video clip and doing that quick write is what the homework is for today. And then at the end of this video, I'll explain what you need to do for Friday. For Friday, there will be no new work, but there is going to be some review and some revised work you're going to have to do. Before I start, just want to let you know that I am hoping to have all of your debates graded by today. If not today, it will definitely be graded by Friday. And in the video that I'll be posting on Friday, I'll explain what a retake could possibly look like if that's something you need and or want to do. So first, a couple vocab words, just two. One is popular sovereignty. The word popular means people. Right? When you're popular in school, that means people like you. Sovereignty means you have the control. So popular sovereignty is the belief that the government is created by and subject to the will of the people. This idea very much fits in with what John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau would have advocated for, and it is one of the key principles, key ideas that U.S. government has. The type of government we have is something called a constitutional federal republic. A federal republic is a government in which the power is divided between the national or federal government and the states. So in the United States, we share power in government between the national government, be like the president, Congress, etc., and state governments, like Governor Whitmer, etc. They share and split up the power and work together. So what I want to focus on today's lesson, and this is something we will be doing through all of these revolutions, is what makes a revolution justified or legitimate. And that can be a little tricky to understand what I'm asking, so I'm hoping that's clear. If that doesn't make sense, please let me know. When I say justified, that means like the reason why it happened, how it happened was just. And I say the word just like the way we would use it in the word justice. It is right. So what makes a revolution justified or legitimate? We're going to start by taking that question and applying it to what happens in the American Revolution. What I'd like you to do is watch the Crash Course History video that I will be posting on Google Classroom with your quick write. I want you to think about the reasons why the American Revolution happened. And I want you to think about it from multiple points of view. From the colonist point of view, the patriots, the revolutionaries, and from the British point of view and people like the loyalists who supported them. Why did this happen? Because the causes of why revolutions happen are key in determining whether they were just, legitimate, and right. Okay, so make sure you don't just look at the patriot side of view, but the loyalists. Just to let you know, tomorrow I will be posting a video reviewing the primary source analysis worksheet that you should have turned in by 10 a.m. today. If you're watching this before 10 and you haven't turned it in yet, make sure you do that right away. But I will be posting a review of that tomorrow. You will want to watch that review tomorrow just to make sure you fully understand that perspective towards the revolution. Here's what I'd like you to do for 3 p.m. today. Quick write question. Was the American Revolution justified? Why or why not? Once again, the word justified means was it right? Was it just? The reasons why it happened, how it happened, was that just? I would like you to explain using multiple reasons and examples. You can use the loyalist documents. You can use the video I'm posting. If you really want to do some background research, you can, but you better copy and paste the sources you used to do that. It's not required. That's just in case you want to go a little bit further with your research. One thing I do need and want you to do in this quick write is take this idea of whether or not revolution is just and connect it with the Enlightenment ideas of the social contract and natural rights. So figure out, do you agree more with Locke or Hobbes and what the social contract can be, what government is meant to do, and what are the natural rights that people deserve that government should protect, and is that government protecting those rights? So when you're making this decision, think about, was the British government ruling over the American colonies doing its job according to your version of the social contract and protecting their natural rights? If they were doing their job, then a revolution to overthrow and replace that government probably is not just. If they're not doing their job, then according to John Locke at least, Thomas Hobbes wouldn't agree with this, then you can overthrow and replace that government. So really connect the ideas of the Enlightenment to the idea of revolution in your response, and specifically those ideas of the social contract and natural rights. So tomorrow, I'm going to post a video reviewing the Loyalist documents, giving you some details about debate retakes if that's something you'd like to do. And I'm also going to explain kind of step 2 of this assignment. This is not going to be the final version of your quick write. This is only part 1. So please make sure you watch tomorrow's video and then do whatever little work that's assigned with that, which won't be anything new. It'll just be revised work or work involving a retake. Let me know if you have questions. I will talk to you more in tomorrow's video.